Na, pa, ba. Did you know that we can mix them up together? Oh yes! Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. We are continuing to discuss a long chapter on the Tagalog ENCLITIC particles, which are monosyllabic and duosyllabic words that grammatically connect two words that convey different nuances and meanings. In the past video, we have learned how to use the ENCLITIC particle na, pa, and ba. I have covered those extensively in the last several videos. Check them out if you haven't seen them yet. The links are in the description box down below. Now, did you know that we can actually mix the particles na, pa, and ba in one phrase, which will add more flavor into the context of a phrase? Oh yes! So, let's dive into some sample phrases where we can mix na with ba and pa with ba. Before we do that, please be mindful of two things. One, they are hard to translate directly to English and are highly dependent on context. The best that we can do is to approximate what they mean. And number two, our examples are by no means extensive as the usage can be varied. But they are enough to get you started in using these Tagalog ENCLITIC particles to enrich your learning of Tagalog. Ayos? So, tara! Simulan na natin. Let's begin. Let's first use the particle na, pa, and ba with the pronoun ako. Here goes. Ako na. I'll go first. It's my turn. Let me do it. Ako na? Is it my turn? Ako pa. There's still me. Ako pa? Is it still me? Ako ba? Is it me? Are you referring to me? Ako na ba? Is it my turn now? Ako pa ba? Is it still me? Really? You can use other Tagalog pronouns and they mean something similar pertaining to those pronouns. Try it. We can also do something similar with time expressions, like for example, with the word ngayon, which means now or today. Let's try it. Ngayon na? Is it now? Ngayon na. It's now. Do it now. Ngayon pa? Is there still something happening today? Ngayon pa. So there's still something happening today. Ngayon ba? Is it now? Really? Ngayon na ba? Is it really now? Really? Ngayon pa ba? Is there really something happening today? Ayos? Now, let's try the word gabi, which means night or evening. Here goes. Gabi na? Is it evening already? Gabi na. It's evening already. Gabi pa? Is it still evening? Gabi pa. It's still evening. Gabi ba? Is it in the evening? Gabi na ba? Is it already in the evening? Gabi pa ba? Is it still evening? Again, these translations might differ depending on the context of the conversation. Now, let's try using them with the question word ano, what. But before we do that, please be sure that you are subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. All right? On to our sample questions on the word ano. Ano na? What is it now? Ano pa? What else? Ano ba? What is it really? Ano na ba? What is it now really? Ano pa ba? What else really? Ayos ba? Is it making sense to you? Now, let's try another question word. Let's try saan. Where? Here goes. Saan na? Where is it now? Saan pa? Where else? Saan ba? Where is it really? Saan na ba? Where is it now, really? Saan pa ba? Where else, really? You can apply the same pattern with other interrogative words like sino, bakit, kailan, paano, etc. Now, let's combine na and pa with ba with the demonstrative pronouns. Let's try them with the pronoun ito, this. Ito na, is this it? Ito na, this is it. This is my final choice. Ito pa, this one too. Ito pa, this one too. Here's one more. Ito na ba? Is this it really? Ito pa ba? This one too, really? Ayos ba? There's a whole bunch of Tagalog demonstrative pronouns. You can try this with like dito, nandito, ganito, etc. You get the picture. Now, moving on, we can try mixing na, pa, and ba with verbs like, for example, kumain ka na ba? Have you eaten? Kumain ka pa ba? Did you still eat? Kumakain ka na ba? Are you already eating? Kumakain ka pa ba? Are you still eating? Kakain ka na ba? Are you about to eat? Kakain ka pa ba? Are you still going to eat? Let me just point out that the word order with the second person pronoun ka is different with all the other pronouns like the third person siya, he or she. Here are some examples. Natulog na ba siya? Has he or she slept? Natulog pa ba siya? Did he or she still sleep? Natutulog na ba siya? Is he or she already sleeping? Natutulog pa ba siya? Is he or she still sleeping? Matutulog na ba siya? Is he or she about to sleep? Matutulog pa ba siya? Is he or she still going to sleep? Ayos ba? You get the idea, right? If you're liking this video so far, please be sure to hit the like button because that's gonna help in growing this channel. Cool? Finally, let's take a look at some random phrases that you can use in a lot of situations. Here goes. Hindi na, no more, not anymore. Hindi na, no more, not anymore. Hindi pa, not yet. Hindi pa, not yet. Hindi ba? Really, isn't it? Hindi na ba? It's no longer possible. Hindi pa ba? Is it still not yet possible? Ayaw na ba? Does someone not like it anymore? Ayaw pa ba? Does someone not like it yet? Tama na ba? Is it already correct? Did I do it right? Tama pa ba? Is it still correct? Is it still right? Tapos na ba? Is it already finished? Is it now done? Pwede na ba? Is it now possible? Pwede pa ba? Is it still possible? What I have talked about are just a few examples where you can combine na, pa, and ba in one phrase. There's definitely more, but I hope these examples will give you a flavor of what's out there in conversational Tagalog. I hope you find this series helpful. There's still a lot to cover in this huge chapter on the Tagalog ENCLITIC particles in the coming videos. I hope you catch that. I will see you again soon. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.